Witness the journey of Lotus silk, where natural beauty meets industrial innovation, transforming agricultural waste into the world's most coveted and expensive luxury fabric on Earth. At the heart of this high-tech sanctuary, millions of lotus stems are gathered daily, ready to undergo a miraculous transformation through the power of advanced modern engineering. Tons of raw materials are funneled into the system, marking the first step of a process that turns discarded stems into the finest threads known to humanity. Every single stem holds a hidden treasure, a microscopic fiber that requires the utmost care and precision to extract without damaging its delicate and rare molecular structure. Robotic sensors utilize laser technology to sort the stems by quality, ensuring only the most resilient and fresh fibers advance to the next stage of this elite production. The cleaning process begins with high-pressure misting, a sophisticated method designed to strip away impurities while maintaining the structural integrity of the precious stems within the machine. Purity is paramount in high-end textile manufacturing, and our advanced cleaning systems ensure that every millimeter of the lotus stem is pristine before the extraction phase begins. Ultrasonic cleaning technology uses sound waves to agitate the water, reaching into every crevice of the stem to guarantee a level of cleanliness that traditional methods cannot achieve. This microscopic scrubbing action is gentle yet highly effective, preparing the stems for the delicate biological softening process that will soon follow in the next specialized chamber. Next, the stems are immersed in a proprietary biological solution, a carefully balanced formula designed to soften the tough outer bark without harming the internal silk fibers. Enzymatic action works to dissolve the natural glues holding the stem together, making it possible to extract the silk strands with minimal mechanical force and maximum fiber length. To preserve the natural elasticity of the fibers, the stems undergo a specialized freeze-drying process, locking in the quality and preventing any degradation of the silk's strength. This cold temperature stabilization ensures that the silk remains as fresh as the moment it was harvested, providing a superior raw material for the world's most expensive fabric. With the pretreatment complete, the stems are now perfectly conditioned for the most critical and impressive part of the entire process: the extraction of the microscopic silk. Precision is the hallmark of our extraction facility, where advanced robotics perform tasks with an accuracy that far exceeds human capabilities in this delicate microenvironment. Laser technology allows for an exact cut, penetrating only the outer layers while leaving the internal silk filaments completely untouched and ready for the pulling process. Every cut is monitored by AI to ensure the depth is calibrated to the micron, guaranteeing that the maximum number of silk strands is recovered from each stem. Mechanical grippers now take hold, executing a perfectly synchronized pull that will reveal the hidden beauty hidden within the humble green exterior of the lotus plant. As the stem separates, thousands of microscopic silk strands emerge, shimmering with a natural brilliance that has fascinated textile masters for centuries across many different global cultures. These fibers are thinner than a human hair, yet possess a remarkable tensile strength, forming the foundation of a fabric that is both lightweight and incredibly durable. It takes over 100,000 lotus stems to produce just 1 single kilogram of this raw silk, making it one of the rarest materials in the world. The individual filaments are expertly gathered and bundled, a process that requires extreme care to avoid tangling or breaking these fragile gifts of nature during the collection. Winding the silk onto steel cores allows for easy transport and further processing, ensuring the fibers remain organized and ready for the intense refining stages that lie ahead. The synchronized movement of the bobbins creates a beautiful industrial symphony, representing the perfect marriage of organic material and high-performance mechanical automation in the modern world. As the bobbins fill, the raw beauty of the lotus silk becomes evident, its natural luster hinting at the magnificent luxury products it will eventually become after refining. Each completed spool is a testament to the efficiency of the factory, ready to be transformed into a material that rivals the finest traditional silks in every way. The refining stage takes place in a controlled environment, where the silk is treated with specialized nutrients to enhance its natural properties and prepare it for weaving. Immersion in a pearl essence and protein bath infuses the fibers with a brilliant shine and added strength, ensuring the final fabric has a truly royal feel. The fibers absorb these precious elements, becoming more resilient and gaining a soft, iridescent glow that is characteristic of the highest grade of Lotus silk available today. Advanced coating techniques ensure that every strand is protected, enhancing the silk's durability and making it resistant to the wear and tear of daily use in fashion. Color is introduced through a 100% organic dyeing process, using natural pigments that are both environmentally friendly and capable of producing deep, rich, and lasting hues. UV light facilitates the bonding of the dye at a molecular level, ensuring that the colors remain vibrant for decades without fading or leaching from the fabric. The transformation is mesmerizing, as the once white fibers take on their new identity, ready to be woven into garments that represent the pinnacle of sustainable luxury. Grooming with nano brushes removes any microscopic debris or unevenness, resulting in a thread that is perfectly smooth to the touch and flawless in its appearance. This attention to detail ensures that the final product has a consistency and quality that is unmatched by any other textile in the global fashion market. With the refining process complete, the Lotus silk has been transformed from a raw botanical fiber into a high-performance material ready for the high-speed spinning machines. The spinning hull is a marvel of modern engineering, where thousands of spindles work in perfect harmony to twist the refined silk into strong, weave-ready yarn at incredible speeds. The fibers are spun together, creating a yarn that is significantly stronger than individual strands, while maintaining its signature softness and lightweight. This twisting process is carefully calibrated to ensure the perfect balance of flexibility and strength, essential for the complex weaving patterns that will soon follow. The hum of the machines is the sound of progress, as ancient materials meet 21st century technology to create something truly extraordinary and sustainable for the future. Each spool represents hours of work and millions of Lotus stems, now concentrated into a form that is ready for the precision of the automated loom. Artificial intelligence monitors every centimeter of the thread, detecting even the smallest flaws that would be invisible to the human eye during the high-speed production. Quality control is absolute. Any imperfection is immediately identified and corrected by the system, ensuring that every meter of yarn is of a flawless premium standard. This seamless integration of technology allows for continuous production without sacrificing the extreme quality requirements of the high-end luxury goods market. The finished yarn is carefully handled, stored in climate-controlled containers to maintain its moisture levels and structural integrity before it reaches the weaving floor. In this temple of technology, the transformation is nearly complete, moving from the muddy fields to a material that defines the very essence of luxury, ready for the loom. This yarn is the gold standard of sustainable fashion, a testament to what is possible when we rethink the value of nature's waste. We enter the weaving phase, where state-of-the-art looms translate complex digital designs into physical fabric, interlacing the Lotus yarn with unmatched precision and speed. The movement of the shuttle is a blur of efficiency, weaving together the history of traditional crafts with the power of modern industrial automation and speed. As the fabric grows, its unique multi-layered structure becomes visible, offering a level of breathability and comfort that is entirely unique to Lotus-based textiles. The fabric's natural sheen is enhanced by the weave, creating a surface that reflects light beautifully and feels like a second skin against the human body. Massive production capacity meets artisanal quality here, allowing this rare material to reach the world's most prestigious fashion houses and luxury brands globally. Steam treatment is the final step in the weaving process, used to set the structure of the cloth and ensure it maintains its shape and drape forever. This heat-setting process locks in the elegance of the Lotus silk, providing the characteristic drape that makes it so sought after by high-end fashion designers. Human touch remains the final arbiter of quality, as experts inspect the finished rolls to ensure they meet the exacting standards of our discerning global clientele. The finished product is a masterpiece of sustainable luxury, ready to be shipped around the world and transformed into the most exclusive garments ever made. Lighter than air and more precious than gold. This is the ultimate expression of how technology can elevate nature's simplest gifts into something truly legendary. In the final stage, the Lotus silk is presented to the world, taking its rightful place at the peak of the luxury market as a symbol of elegance. The tactile experience of Lotus silk is incomparable. It is a fabric that must be felt to be believed, offering a softness that defies its industrial origins. From a discarded stem in a muddy field to a breathtaking scarf on a global stage, the journey of Lotus silk is a story of total transformation. Every product made from this rare material is a piece of history, combining ancient wisdom with the very best of today's high-tech manufacturing and design capabilities. This is the future of luxury. Sustainable, innovative, and undeniably beautiful, proving that we can create the world's most expensive fabric while honoring the natural world. As the world looks toward a more sustainable future, the Lotus Silk Factory stands as a beacon of what is possible when we combine heart and technology. Lotus Silk, the world's most exclusive fabric, born from nature and perfected by science. Experience the pinnacle of luxury that respects our planet's most precious resources.